Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Shirley. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'd like to show you laser engraving. What can you get in your mind when we're talking about laser engraving? Coca-Cola!
What?
Coca-Cola? Is there anything to do with Coca-Cola? Yes, of course. I mean the laser engraving letters on the rainbow can. Okay, you're right. But do you know what material can be used for laser engraving? No? Okay, let me tell you now. Metal, plastic, leather, wood, glass, ceramics. These all materials can be used for laser engraving. But of course, different material need different parameters. Actually, we can see many products with laser engraving in our lives, as laser engraving is widely used in many industries, such as furniture, leather bags, tooling, and so on. This is a USB stick, a USB flash disk with a Chinese characteristics pattern. On the back of the disk, you can see our company information. This is a pen which engraved with a name from one of my customers. As Christmas holiday is upcoming, so I'm going to send all of this to my customer for their constant support to our company. Now I'm gonna show you the laser engraving on our tools, such as tool number, ejector pins number, part number, etc. Actually, laser engraving not only can engrave letters, numbers, but also can engrave patterns. Any patterns that the software and the computer can make it. Okay, let's check it out. What?